Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. So, welcome. Today, we have to do April Too Faced Best Year Ever. I realized, here, let me grab the calendar. So we're doing this today. I was planning May and I went, oh my gosh, I never did the April Too Faced look. And then I looked at it and was like, oh, I don't know when I'm going to do this because y'all, this is as crazy as the January look. So in case you don't know, I'm doing this every month. It's from the Too Faced holiday set, Best Year Ever, and it came with a calendar, and every month has a tutorial of how to use this, which is nice of them, but some of the looks are a little crazy. So what I have on so far is everything not included in this look. I have on primer, foundation, my brows are done, and I put on a little bit of milk bronzer, but that was it. And we'll get started with the look. All right, so it starts with Sweep Unwrap Me into the crease. Now, we've learned from past months, and I've got a playlist of them. I'll try and put it up here, and I'll link to them in the description box. We've learned from past months, you can't follow this because it does not always match up to this. So I'm just going to go by what it says, and it says Sweep Unwrap Me into the crease. Y'all want to see what Unwrap Me is? Oh, it's back. It's back. It's the magenta color. It comes off way more purple, at least on my monitor. But this is, it's got a shift to it. It's magenta and then has like a purple shift of metallic. It says put it in the crease. Now, normally I crease with this bigger angled brush, but I'm going to use my little mini Morphe one for this because I'm scared. I'm scared. So, it just says in the crease. It's not taking my hooded eyes into account. The picture actually draws it going out. It draws it, I'll do it on this side. It actually draws it in the crease and then out. So, started with some hot pink on my eye. I don't know if it translates well for you. Okay, then blend Party Over Here onto inner and outer lid. That's a weird way of saying that. Okay, Party Over Here is the metallic gold. I actually like this one, but I think it's funny that it says inner and outer lid. Oh, because you're not doing it on the center. I was like, why? That's a weird way of putting that. Okay, so I'm going to use my smudgy brush for this. So, inner, outer. Let me scoot a little closer just so you can see. And please ignore my roots. It's real bad right now. Okay, so it's on the inner and outer and kind of got down where it shouldn't. Other eye. I don't know where I'd be wearing this look. And this is where, from the picture, it pulls it up. So here, for that I will use my brush, my little angled brush. Kind of blend them together. Okay, and then it says press Christmas Dream onto the center of the lid. That pink, that light pink is Christmas Dream. Y'all, I swear they just played roulette with this. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Because now that I've done that, you know, it doesn't say blend them together. First off, these are not blending. These will not blend together. It says I'm done with my eye look. I mean, just, woo! Okay, now, part of me feels like I don't even want to try. I'm trying to salvage it, but I kind of don't know why, because I am not wearing this. Like, this will be taken off immediately. Now, the only other thing it says to do this month is to add the blush to the cheek. So let's just very quickly add the blush. Now, I know I haven't put mascara on yet, but y'all, that pink and this do not blend. This color, the gold foily one, the bronze party over here, is beautiful all across the lid. I've done it before. But like this, it's just a no. Like, I am just gonna go take this off. I don't want to put on mascara and everything else because I refuse. I've got hiccups now. I refuse to wear this. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna proceed to do something else with my makeup for the day. So that is it. It's a real quick one. That is it for the crazy. That is Make It Rain. Okay, as I was turning it, I just read the caption for this one. There's a little description. Shower yourself with raindrops of gorgeous color that'll make you look so good, you just might cry. I might cry. If you made me go out like this, I might cry. Anyway, so that is it for this video. Not super helpful, but I hope entertaining. If you like this sort of thing, give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Please share these videos, maybe not this one, with your friends. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos where the makeup comes out better below. So keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.